Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can download and install KuCoin app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular app store on your phone, go to search bar, type in KuCoin and search it up. Now you can see KuCoin by Bitcoin app is given right over here. Tap on this option of get right beside at the bottom. Double click and wait till the blue circle is completed right over here. You just have to wait for a while till it's completely downloaded and it shows the option open. Right, once it's done, tap on this open option and you're good to go. So that's basically it takes for you to open your account. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.